disinfecting. Cause on the news it's all about this virus round the globe. Kinda like World War Z. Paranoia is making me freak out, freak out, freak out, freak out. COVID-19, I wipe down, wipe down, wipe down, wipe down. I'm loving sheets. Face mask, face mask, face mask, face mask each time I go out. I'm listening around for a cough. Constantly disinfecting everything. I'm staying locked up in my house. Don't come near me if you need me. What's up, fiber? Don't want no stupid cough, cough. Don't want no stupid cough, cough. Now it's time to stop this from spreading. Cough or sneeze in your sleep. Stay at home if you can. Don't give this virus chance to breathe. Never cancel your cruise. Better check your fluids too. Avoid crowds, avoid crowds, avoid crowds, avoid crowds. With hygiene. Don't touch, don't touch, don't touch, don't touch. Don't touch your face. You've got the cough, fever, breathing hard. Call your doctor now. Don't go panic shopping for stuff. Wear a mask if you're feeling sick. Please don't spread it. Don't be racist to us Asians. Enemies, not human beings. It's coronavirus. I'm Filipino. Don't want no stupid cough, cough. Don't want no stupid cough, cough. Don't make it a reason to panic while they work on vaccines. Know your information. Together we'll stop COVID-19. Cover, cover. This ain't no COVID cough, cough. Just listen to your cough, cough. Insert this bit to all. So this song goes viral. No pun intended.
Mikey!